The distance around a circle is called its circumference. The distance across a circle through its center is called the diameter, denoted typically with a d. The distance from the center of a circle to its edge is called the radius, denoted by r. The radius is half the diameter, or we could say the diameter is twice the radius. The Greek letter pi is used in the formula for circumference. Pi is approximately 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. The formula for circumference is c equals 2 pi r, or c equals diameter times pi. A circle has a diameter of 14 meters. What is the radius? Recall that the diameter is simply double the radius, so to find the radius, we cut the diameter in half, and we can see that it is 7 meters. Part B, a circle has a radius of 13 and 25 inches. What is the diameter? The diameter is double the radius. So let's multiply by 2. And we can see that the diameter is 26 and 5 tenths inches. Part 7, we want to find the circumference of each circle. Remember, their circumference is 2 pi r, or it could be pi d. In this particular example, notice we're given the radius, the distance from the center to the outer edge. So we want to actually use the first one. C is 2 times pi, which we will approximate to be 3 and 14 times the radius, 28. We will need to do this in steps. First, we'll multiply the first two factors. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And we need 2 decimal places because there are 2 decimal places in the factors. Next, we can take that answer and multiply it by 28. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6 is 22. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. 0 placeholder. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. And now we add. And we need 2 decimal places because there are 2 decimal places in the factors. So the final result, 175 and 84 hundredths meters. In example B, we're given the diameter. So this time, let's use C equals pi d. Pi, again, we will approximate to be 3 and 14 The diameter is 18. So we need to multiply these. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. 0 placeholder. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And we add 2, 5, 6, 5. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. There are 2. So we need 2 decimals in the product. And the units in this case, inches. The circumference of this circle, 56 and 52 inches.